Welcome to this tutorial on setting up the automation rule in Jira, using the miniOrange app to enable this auto-activation process. Managing thousands of user access across large Jira environments can be time-consuming. The miniOrange automated user management app helps admins simplify and automate this process. Its auto-activate users feature automatically restores product access for users whose permissions were removed, all in a single step. Here's how it works. If the admin does not have a JSM portal or space, they can configure the Jira Service Desk by following the steps shown in this video. Once this is in place, any user who raises a ticket in the configured portal will have their domain or group automatically verified, and if the criteria are met, they are added back to the appropriate product access groups. Let's get started. First, go to your Jira, and in the left side panel, choose Spaces in Jira. Click on the three dots that you can see Space Settings. Now, from the sidebar, navigate to Automation. In the upper right corner, click on Create Rule, and then click on Create from Scratch to start building a new rule from scratch. You'll first need to define a trigger. Search for the trigger named Work Item Created and select it. This trigger will activate the rule whenever a new work item is created. Select condition type as Smart Values condition. Next, let's add the first value in the trigger condition. You'll find the required condition values inside the miniOrange User Management app. Head to the Setup Guide tab under the Auto Activate User module. Here, you'll see the first value provided. Copy this value and paste it into the first value field of your condition. Set the condition operator to equals, and in the second value field, enter the value for your chosen sub-request type. Different request types are already listed in the miniOrange User Management app, so simply copy and paste the one that matches your workflow. In this case, the request type chosen is Request Jira Access. Once done, click Next. Now that your trigger and condition are configured, it's time to set up the action. Click on the Then. Add an action. For this, choose Send Web Request as the action type. You'll find the web request URL in the setup instructions inside the miniOrange app. Copy that URL and paste it into the web request URL field. Set the HTTP method to post. Then, copy the custom data provided in the setup instructions and paste it into the custom data field of your web request. After verifying all the details, you can name your rule and turn it on. And that's it. With this setup, whenever a user raises a request for access, the access is provided instantly without any manual steps from the admin. This ensures a secure, seamless, and efficient access management process, helping your team stay productive while reducing administrative workload. Let's walk you through how admins can create auto-activation rules that streamline user onboarding and access management inside Jira. To begin, navigate to the Auto Activate Users tab within the miniOrange User Management app. Here, click on Add New Assignment Rule. This setup process takes place in two steps. In Step 1, you will choose the Jira project to monitor for automatic user activation. From the drop-down, select the appropriate Jira project. In this example, the IT Support System project is selected. Next, choose the sub-request type. Here, we select Request Jira Access. Once these selections are made, click Continue to proceed to Step 2. In Step 2, you will configure the assignment roles. Start by choosing the assignment method, which can be based on an email domain or your existing group. Here, we have selected the assignment method as by existing group option. Then enter the source group, which is the group a user must belong to in order for the rule to be triggered. After that, select the target group, the group the user should be assigned to once the rule is executed. When all fields are complete, click on Create Rule, and the rule will instantly become active. Now let's look at how this works from the user's perspective. When a user goes to their Jira Help Center and opens the IT Support System portal, they will navigate to the Common Requests section and select Request Jira Access. Here, they can raise a ticket using the required email address and simply mention their request as Need Access. Once the ticket is submitted, the system will automatically activate the user's account membership based on the rule you configured, and they will be assigned to the appropriate group without any manual intervention. The admin can check in the audit logs once the user is assigned the selected group. This automation helps streamline onboarding, reduce admin workload, and ensure that users receive access quickly and securely. For more information, you can head to the description to find the link for complete setup guide for the miniOrange user management app. Thank you.